Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you email Facebook support. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open any of the email that you use. I'm opening Outlook email into here. Simply open the email and then click to this new email option here. After clicking to create new email, enter this email address support@appb.com into here. And after entering the email address, write your subject, and after writing the subject, then write your email's body into here. Then after entering the body of your message or the subject that you want to talk about with Facebook support team, just simply send this email by clicking to the send button down here. By following these very easy steps, you can also send emails to Facebook support team. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.